Laura, and I just wanted to do a quick video telling you my crafty plans and goals for the year. I think it's good to take some time to sit and really think about how you scrapbook and if it's working for you, because from year to year we can get bored if we're doing the same things. Now, I'm not changing my 12 by 12 format. I really enjoy the canvas size of a 12 by 12. I think it's a lot of fun to work with, lots of space to work in, and I can get lots of photos on a page. So I'll probably be sticking to that for most of my scrapbooking this year. But I am going to switch up some things. I have been playing around last year with traveler's notebooks and pocket pages and some smaller formats, 9 by 12s for my twins, things like that. But this year, I don't really want to do pocket page scrapbooking or traveler's notebooks. I felt like with pocket page scrapbooking, it's a little too compartmentalized for me. I don't have as much room to play, and I don't really have a lot of space for journaling. I could put a lot of journaling on the page, but then the page isn't very interesting to look at. So I've decided to ditch the pocket pages for 2019. I have a few that I need to finish up for previous years, but I don't want to do any more for 2019. I also am getting rid of traveler's notebooks. because it's too small. 4 by 8 is too small for me. I'm willing to do 6 by 8. I do enjoy 6 by 8s, and I have a couple of ideas for 6 by 8 albums, mini albums. One specifically that I want to do is showcasing my poetry. I do write poetry. It's mostly lyrical poetry, and I really enjoy that. And I want to put it in a format that makes it easy for my kids, my husband, my family to see it. And right now it's trapped in a couple of areas like my phone and the notes. It's trapped in my journals. It's on little pieces of paper scattered around my desk. And I really want to bring it to a format that they can read it. And so I'm thinking that doing a 6 by 8 album would allow me to showcase my poetry and also play a little bit and make it look really nice. That's what I'm hoping. And instead of traveler's notebooks or Project Life, I have decided to do something a little bit different for my everyday scrapping, because my 12 by 12s I use for event scrapping and for family traveling and our day trips and things like that. But smashbooking is a great choice for casual scrapbooking. I will do a more detailed video on smashbooking explaining what it is and how you do it, and that will be in a separate video that goes up directly after this one. So if you want more information about that, you can see it. I will only post videos about my smashbook if y'all want to see them. So comment on that video if you'd like to see more about the smashbooking, if you'd like to see process videos for that. It's very quick, it's very easy, and it's very casual. It's honestly something that I think would be perfect for younger people. I'm introducing it to my 12-year-old daughter as well, and I think she'll be really excited to do it. So if you have someone in your life who you'd like to encourage to do memory keeping, this may be something that they're interested in. It's much more casual. It's not as much about design. It's more about memories and preserving those memories, telling stories. It encourages a lot of journaling, and you don't have to use photos. I will use photos because I love photos, but you do not have to use photos. So it's really about documenting your everyday life, and I think that that is perfect for me. They're really quick pages to put together. I'll show you some of the pages I've already got done in the next video. I also want to talk a little bit about the goals and plans for my channel this year on YouTube, and one of those is I want to put up more videos. I put up a lot of videos last year, but I want to put up more of these face-to-face videos, not every week, probably maybe a couple times a month, maybe. But I also want to do a lot more process videos. I have decided that I will not be posting haul videos anymore. For one thing, I'm going to be focusing on spending a lot less this year. I want to use up my stash. I'm going to have some monthly product focuses, which is simply me showing you how to use some of the products in your stash that you may be struggling with. Things like ribbon, buttons, wood veneer, cork, things along that line. I have a lot of those things in my stash. I want to get them used up. So I'm not doing haul videos this year, but we are going to have a product focus, and I'm going to show you throughout each month how to use that product in different ways. If you have some ideas for that, let me know in the comments below what you would like to see me do a product focus on, and I will try to include as much as I can in this year. I'm really excited about that. I'm not even sure what the series is going to be called yet. It is definitely inspired by Jen Show's Shao. I never say her name right. Her Crafty Use It or Lose It series. I was really inspired by that. Now, how she does it is she does one video per item. I'm going to be doing an entire month focused on one area of embellishing, probably one embellishment area like wood veneer, buttons, things like that. And the entire month I'm going to try to incorporate that item into my layouts so that I can really bust the stash. I mean, I don't just want to show you here's 3 ideas how to use it. I really want to use up my stash too. So that is my thought process on that. Another thing is we're going to have a lot of fun in March. I am doing a collaboration with Miranda Weber, and I can't tell you everything about it yet, but it is going to be amazing, and y'all do not want to miss out on it. It's going to be awesome. Also, I'm going to do Scraptember again this year. September is when I started my channel in 2017, and every September I will be doing Scraptember, which is a video a day, and there'll be a lot of process videos, lots of giveaways, and I'm excited for some fun stuff in Scraptember. One thing that I am including in my Smashbook this year is my one little word, which this is the first year I have ever chosen a word. And while I'm not taking Allie Edwards' class, I'm inspired by her idea. And my one little word for this year is explore. I really want to challenge myself a little bit more to step out of my comfort zone in a lot of areas, not just in crafting. But I do think it's important to do that in your crafting, to challenge yourself, because that's how we develop and become better at our skills. Just like with any other hobby, you want to improve your skills. If you remain stagnant, and that's fine, if you don't want to change your style, that's okay. But if you want to continue to develop your skills and do better than you're doing now, you have to challenge yourself. You have to try some new things. That doesn't mean you need to go buy all the things. Lesson learned. But you do have to start kind of challenge yourself to step out of that comfort zone. So we're going to be doing a little bit of that this year as well. Thank you so much for joining me, y'all, and until next time, bye.